How to back up IMO chats. Losing your IMO chat history can be tough, right? All those conversation, photos and videos gone. But don't worry, keeping them safe is super easy and I will show you exactly how in just few simple steps. Ready? First things first, let's open the IMO app. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. Once your IMO is open, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon, which is in top left corner. It's right over here. Tap on it. After you are inside the profile, simply tap on the setting, which is the third option. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. Inside setting, just search for the chat section. It's right over here. Tap on it. Once you're inside the chat section, you will see an option called Chat Backup. It's right over here. Tap on that too. And here you got to choose where to save your backup. Do you prefer Google Drive or any other option? But I think the option is only a Google Drive right now. So if you want to backup, simply tap on Backup Now, which is right over here. Let's tap on it. Then you have to choose your email account. Let it be this one for now. It's loading. Now give the Google Drive the permission that it is asking for. Tap on Continue and it's done. Now all your chat data or the chat history, including your images, will be stored in the Google Drive. And just under it, you can also see an option called Auto Backup. This option is very suitable. If you don't want to bother about backup time and again, you can simply tap on this on right over here and enable Auto Backup. And there's also an option called Include Images. It's on right now. That means it will include the images in your chat backup. Then there's also an option called Include Videos. If you enable it, it will also store the videos on your chat backup. And lastly, there's an option called Network for Backup. That means which network will be used when you are backing up your chat. So right now it's Wi-Fi. You can also choose Wi-Fi and cellular. Let's keep it Wi-Fi. So that's the process. See how quick and easy that was. Now your memories are safe and sound. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.